Today we're going to show you how to run a text-to-pay sale in the AutoVital software with 360 payments. So from the card you'd like to charge, press send. Then you want to confirm the amount that you'd like to charge this customer and press confirm value and check it off. Then back on the RO number, you can click on the RO number itself, and this will then show you the outstanding amount that's still out waiting for payment. The customer will then get a link they can click on. It'll show them their car and the amount that they owe. The customer will then put in their zip code, their state and city, and then other information will be pulled in from the software. They can enter their credit card information and then press pay. Once the payment is confirmed, they'll get a successful message back in the software. Once you click on that RO number again, you'll see that the outstanding balance is 0 and everything has been paid. And then you're good to go. Thanks for watching.